Alright, I'm going to take a moment to show you how to copy your list from your data file and paste it into the list in your work order. This is going to be from your Excel data file, CDS, into your EWOa list. So the first thing that you want to check for is that each column is in the right order. So in EWOa we've got pipette number, size, manufacturer, location, department, contact, restrictions, cal date, cal due, technician as found as left, and then we've got our print. We're going to focus on everything to the left of our print column. So if we can remember that order, we're going to go to our list in Excel, and we see that we've got the serial number, which is the same as the pipette number, the size, manufacturer, location, department, contact, restrictions, cal date, cal due, technician as found as left. Now, everything is in the correct order, so we can go ahead and copy the list. I'll show you what to do if everything is not in the correct order after this. So you're going to select just your data from your list, and you're going to right click and copy. From there you're going to go to your EWOa, and you're going to select each column to the left of the print column. So how you do this is, I've clicked on pipette number, the column heading, and now I drag my cursor all the way to as left. Okay. Now you can verify that that is everything to the left of the print column. Now what I do from there, I right click the first text box under pipette number, and I select paste. Because everything was in the proper order, now this looks just like your list does in your data file. Now you can see that some fields are not, they do not fit the data properly. If you would like to change this, you can go to the line that separates the column, and you'll see your cursor change to a vertical line with two arrows on each side, an arrow on each side. Once you get there, you can double click and it will auto-fill the column. Now let me show you what we can do if it does not, if the columns do not match up. I'm going to delete these records, and you delete a record by clicking the record on the left hand side in this gray box, and that will select the entire row. Right click, delete record. You can delete multiple records by selecting the record that you want, and I'm going to use the shift key and select the last record to select every one. Now I'm going to continue to hold the shift key, right click, delete record. Now we've started over with a blank list, and I'll show you what to do. We're going to look at this list. We've got serial number, size, manufacturer, location, department, contact, pipette ID instead of restrictions, cal date, cal due, technician as found as left. We're going to go to our EWOa, and we're going to see what we've got. Pipette number, size, manufacturer, location, department, contact, restrictions, cal date, cal due, technician as found as left. Now we need to move this column and replace it with pipette ID. So what we're going to do is, I have selected the restrictions column, and now I have released my mouse. So now it's just selected. I'm going to go click it again, and now I'm going to drag this column to the right. I'll drag it all the way to the end, and I'll drop it to the right of pipette ID. Well, obviously we need to replace restrictions with pipette ID, so I'm going to do the same thing. Click pipette ID. I've now released my mouse, and I'm going to select it again, and I'm going to drag it to where it needs to be. Now we are ready to copy and paste from our list. I go back to Excel, select my data, copy, go to EWO, and I have selected everything that's going to be to the left of the print column. I right click, paste, and there's my list. Something else that you can also do. If you ever have to copy just a column, you can do that as well. So let's say you know that your contact is going to be Mary Harrington. I'm going to select her, right click copy, go back to EWOa, go to my contact, select just the contact row, right click and paste. We now have our contact column filled out.